Hello guys and welcome to Champs Crypto. This channel will be dedicated to creating the best technical analysis videos for Bitcoin. I'll be talking about the best long and short setups and also my daily price predictions for Bitcoin and also some other altcoins. I'll be giving you guys some nice trade setups hopefully on a daily basis. I currently have a channel which I post in Arabic that has about 3.8k, but I also thought about creating a different channel creating content in English, so hopefully this will be a good start for me. Now let's get right into the Bitcoin price analysis. I'll be giving you guys my current price prediction, also why I think Bitcoin will be making an all-time high, and then I'll be going through the best long and short setup currently in Bitcoin. As you can see, I've currently taken a trade on Bitcoin actually, which is currently in small profits. However, this trade has passed, so there's no point of talking or explaining this trade. However, let's go back to this TA. As you can see, now I'll be talking about why I think Bitcoin will be most definitely making an all-time high. If I go to this chart, as you can see here, this is Bitcoin against the USD dollars, as you can see. And if we go on a daily time frame, as you can see, guys, here we've taken liquidity right now on this horizontal range. As you can see, we currently are ranging in Bitcoin, as you can see, since the beginning of March. So since 3 months ago, we've been ranging in Bitcoin, as you can see here. So we've taken liquidity from the downside liquidity. We've taken liquidity. We've gotten people out of their long trades before the price going up. However, we haven't done the same thing yet on the upper side liquidity, as you can see here. So my current prediction is the same way we've taken liquidity from the buy side liquidity. I'm currently expecting Bitcoin to also take the liquidity from the upper side, as you can see here. So my current bias is still Bitcoin creating an all-time high in the current near future. However, if Bitcoin starts breaking down and it loses $60,000, then I'm gonna change my prediction. But however, currently I'm still expecting Bitcoin to create an all-time high. So every trade that I'm gonna look for is probably gonna be a long. However, I'm gonna give you a smaller short setup in the end of the video. So now let me walk you through the current trades that I'm interested in. As you can see here, if you go down to the 30-minute time frame, we still have two good trades that we can take. As you can see here, we first have the short setups, which is very close one. As you can see, we have the Fibonacci lining up with taking liquidity from the upper side liquidity, and also we have the anchored VWAP taken from the top of this downward moving. So if Bitcoin on the 15-minute time frame, if Bitcoin moves up till 66.1k, I'm expecting Bitcoin to actually if it fakes out, then I'm expecting Bitcoin to give us a nice short trade, as you can see here. So if Bitcoin does this move, then we can have a tight stop loss and also Bitcoin moving downward, as you can see, with a good risk to reward ratio. So this is the first trade that I'm interested in, Bitcoin going up and then taking this short trade. Now don't put a limit order. However, you should definitely have an alert here, and then if price does this movement, then you should go into a short setup. However, I'm also interested in taking a long, which is considered actually a better idea than this short. As you can see here, if Bitcoin drops and starts breaking down till 64,000, also hits the NPOC at 63.687, then I'm also interested in this long setup. As you can see, if we get this move, then if Bitcoin does an SFP, it fakes out this low and then also hits the orange level, as you can see, the 63.6, then I'm also interested in a nice long setup on Bitcoin, as you can see, having a tight stop loss under the wick of this move and then having the trade go as long as $67,000, or maybe perhaps even an all-time high. So this is the first and second idea. We have a nice idea of a long trade, and also we have a smaller short setup that's also close to the current pricing. However, I also wanted to note, that if Bitcoin right now starts moving upwards and it breaks $67,000, if we go on the 4-hour time frame action, then have the volume profile, we can see that this red area around $67,700. If Bitcoin right now starts reclaiming this area, then we can expect Bitcoin to bump further. So we could say that if Bitcoin breaks 67,700, then we can expect Bitcoin to create an all-time high, which would be a nice long trade. Actually, if we break 67.7 till the all-time high, which I'm expecting to break, then we are expected to have a nice trade, which is around 9%. So we can say that I'm currently bullish on Bitcoin. I'm expecting a new all-time high created, and I'm also expecting if Bitcoin breaks 67,700, then we can see this bullish movement starts to actually happen. And also interested in a long trade setup that I've explained, which is at 64,000, and also a smaller short setup at $66,000. Hopefully I'll be posting daily content on this channel, so please expect a video from me tomorrow, and also hit the notification bell and subscribe to get the best videos on Bitcoin.